Welcome to Mr. Foy's Easel. On this program, we're going to do some matching as we've done often before. And this is what we're going to look for, matches for. These critters I have listed here, quite an assorted group of critters: dog, cat, pig, duck, bear, lion. And as before, I'm going to reach into some cards for each one of these characters and pull out some activity or something that they're doing, and I'll do a cartoon of that. So beginning with the dog, let me riffle through my cards here. For the dog, we're going to have an angry dog. Oh, start off on a belligerent note. An angry dog. Well, cartoonists always exaggerate anything, anger, joy, or whatever, and they show the teeth. Let's say there's another dog approaching, and this angry dog is serving notice. You better not bother my bone there. So, a good reason for a dog to be hot under the collar, so to speak. Now we turn to the cat now. See what kind of emotion or attitude is shown there. A happy cat. A happy cat. Okay. Well, sometimes in drawing a happy person or animal, I start with a big grin. And the eyes are usually wide open, kind of like that. And you know, cartoonists always exaggerate, so in the case of this happy cat, I'm going to show that it's not just an expression, it's some body language, whatever it is. It's so productive of happiness that our cat friend here is jumping up and down with gladness. So maybe he saw the lady of the house opening up a can of cat food or something. Or maybe he's watching Garfield on the television. Let me turn to the pig. Let's see what the pig is up to. A pig, what kind of pig? A tired pig. Well, I grew up on a farm. I've seen some tired pigs. They're usually lying around in a very muddy condition, but in my cartoons, that's not necessarily the case. My tired pig is, well, you'll see. He's had a long day of watching TV, but anyway, whatever it is, You can tell it feels so good to just kick back. Unlike real pigs, he has a more comfortable, at least a more hygienic resting place. A tired pig. And let's check out Mr. Duck. Oh, this is a different one. Suspicious duck. And of course we know you've seen all those ducks, but you can't tell whether they're trusting or suspicious or totally indifferent. But notice the expression on this suspicious duck's face. Maybe he's suspicious of something or somebody over here. A lot of times, a suspicious person or animal, well, in real life, animals, you can't tell, but oftentimes they'll have a hand up under their chin like they're not sure something is out of kilter or going wrong, but they have their suspicions. So we've got 4 critters there, and there's a couple more to go, a bear and a lion. A sad bear. All right. Maybe he's read something in the paper about that makes him sad. If this were Winnie the Pooh, it might be news that there's a shortage of honey. But anyway, notice the sad expression on this bear's face. Like the pig, he's in pretty comfortable situation here in a comfortable chair. Whatever it is he's read in the paper, it's kind of produced an attitude of sadness in this Mr. Bear. By the way, he's in his den, and he's got a lamp just like the pig does over here. Bears do sleep in dens in real life, but most of them don't have a comfortable chair or a lamp or even a newspaper. Now we come to Mr. Lion, and this is kind of hard to grasp. A scared lion. I don't know if there's ever been such or not, but let's see what we can do with it. What would a lion be scared of? Well, I'll draw the lion first and then maybe indicate what's producing his fright. He's not just scared. Whatever it is that he's scared of is apparently right behind him. You know, in cartoons they show someone who's scared, it shows that they're perspiring. Since it's a cartoon lion, I want to make him running, like this instead of like a real king of the jungle. I'll tell you what he's running from. He's running from an angry elephant. Stomping through the jungle. The lion is trying desperately to get out of his way. So that completes our list. I'll put some color on as many of these as time permits, so they'll look a little bit more attractive. Let's start out with a brown doggy. Brown doggy. Some green grass. I've pointed this out a number of times, but in cartoons, an animal with a snout like this sometimes has it little pink around there. Notice he's not wagging his tail. If he was happy, you'd have some lines kind of like this. These lines here indicate motion and suggest that the happy cat is jumping up and down with happiness. Let's give him a Garfield color. I don't know if you read the Garfield comic strip or not, but he's more likely to be grumpy than happy, but maybe his cousin here is a different character in that respect. So a happy cat jumping up and down. And here's a pink, not Porky Pig, but maybe Porky's cousin, who's had a rough day somehow or another. And he's he's kicked back into a light blue comfortable chair. Ottoman, his feet on an ottoman, got black shorts on. Now, Mr. Duck, he's got this color, by the way, looks a little like orange, but it's on the label it says it's apricot. Okay, and give Mr. Duck a purple t-shirt and a red cap. Mr. Bear, he's barefooted, by the way. Got a good light on there. And now our lion is, I'm going to color him orange, kind of like this other feline critter on top row there. Give him a brown mane, and they're running through a grassy area here. And the elephant, he's sort of grayish. I use a grease pencil for this. There you have it, a bunch of critters matched up with different activities and attitudes and what have you. And so this is Mr. Foy signing off for this episode. I hope you'll watch some more.